warning, I don't really know much. Can't believe this little thing is $800. Girly pops, I do not know what that means, but it is like the cheaper version of that lens. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here. If you'd like to follow, come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, literally everything is very personal and stupid, so please come through. So, I am filming right now on my Sony a7C III with a very intense portrait lens. I will put right here exactly which portrait lens. And I love this portrait lens. It's given me so much. It's amazing for YouTube videos like this where everything is like chest up. But I have noticed that landscapes suck on this lens. Like, I can't take pictures of anything and make it look good unless it's like super up close. Here's this, right? From afar, it's like whatever. If I bring it up close to this camera, to this portrait lens specifically, it's gonna look amazing. I mean, it's just so much more detailed and the quality is amazing, but from afar, it's not that good, which, hello, that's what a portrait lens is. So I've loved this portrait lens and it's given me a lot. I love it, but it was time for me to like have a lens that can also take pictures of things that aren't close up. So I bought a new lens. So let's unbox it. I bought this lens right here. This is the Tamron 17 to 28 millimeter f2.8 di3 RXD lens for Sony E. Girly pops, I do not know what that means, but it is like the cheaper version of the Sony FE16 to 35 millimeter f2.8 GM lens. So it is the cheaper version of that lens, and because my lens right now is a Sony lens, it was like $2,000. This lens right here, it was only $800. So as you can see, that's a big difference. One of my really great photographer friends recommended me this lens and I'm really excited to try it out. Another thing is that I'm going to Italy soon and I really want to vlog, and I love vlogging, and I vlog with this portrait lens. I did my Nashville vlog, if you want to check it out, right here in this portrait lens, and oh my god, it's so heavy. Like, unreasonably heavy. So another thing I was looking for in a lens is that it was lighter so that I can travel vlog with it, that I can whatever, and my friend told me that this is a very light lens, so let's see. So more info on this lens. Actually came super fast, came within a day from B&H. E-mount lens, RXD and LD elements, BBAR and fluorine coatings, moisture resistant construction, round to 9 blade diaphragm, ultra wide to wide focal lengths. This lens is particularly suitable for landscape, astrophotography, and architectural shooting. Its bright f2.8 constant maximum aperture complements this range and affords increasing control over depth of field along with enhanced low light performance. Let's get into this box. I'm so excited. I'm not really a photographer. I'm a social media manager actually, so I just film stuff for social media. So I will be at photo shoots using my camera for YouTube videos. I will be at photo shoots using my iPhone a lot, but if I film anything with my camera, it's for Instagram and YouTube and stuff. So that's very different than an actual photographer, you know? Okay, we got her. In this video, I will remove my portrait lens right now and then put that lens on to see what the difference is and how it looks. So you will see this lens in action in this video. This is how it comes. Let's open this box up. Honestly, and like this sucks because this camera is totally not for my job. Like, I do not really need a landscape lens for my job, but like I've just been wanting it and it just got like a really good job and I think I could afford it. So it's kind of just like for fun and travel vlogs and stuff. Right here, this actually is very light. It is a light lens, it feels very light. Tech is not my thing, like I don't know much, so this is a review from someone who doesn't know much. So if you know more than me, like maybe you shouldn't watch this video. Unless you want to see how it performs and how it comes, then yeah. Just a warning, I don't really know much. Can't believe this little thing is $800. So this is how it comes. Okay, so obviously it's how it looks inside. Super easy. This lens is so small compared to my other lens. This lens looks so small. I do actually really like the Tamron cover. I feel like it's way easier than my Sony cover. Like I struggle to put it on sometimes, but my portrait lens does have a huge lens. But this one's actually like really easy. This does feel light. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the switch and we're gonna film. This is my portrait lens, just so you guys remember. But also if I wanna be far, like if I'm back here, I mean, this lens isn't cutting it, I don't think. Like, it's not bad, but it's not great. Let's put that lens on. This is the Tamron lens, and it actually is very light and a lot smaller than my other lens. This is my portrait lens. So this is definitely like wide. Like, you can see everything that I've been hiding and threw over at the other side. And my friend did tell me that this was still good for vlogging. Like, if you zoom in, it should be still like really great for vlogging. And it honestly really is. Like this is still great for vlogging. Like this is still feels like really great quality. This is the most zoomed in it gets. That's kind of freaking really fun. For travel vlogging, this looks like it would be really great. This is a really cool lens, it looks like, if you're just starting out and need a lens that can do both. Like my portrait lens was my first lens and it was like, I can only do one thing. But this looks like almost as good as my other one too. Let's see how it oops, this is pretty good too. Wait, hold up. I'm a little like very impressed with this. Okay, let me read you a little bit more about it. It autofocuses, it's moisture resistant, and you could use it in inclement conditions, and a fluorine coating has also been applied to the front lens element to protect against dust, dirt, and smearing. It'll provide a 25.5 to 42 millimeter equivalent focal length range, and it has extra low dispersion and low dispersion elements that greatly reduce color fringing and chromatic aberrations throughout the zoom range in order to improve clarity and color accuracy. I've read a lot about it and a lot of people liked it. Let me also turn off my light and let's see what it looks like without like a ring light. So this is without my light. I like it. The color looks great. The zoom is pretty good. I don't know, I like it. I mean, I have very simple needs. Okay, great, so that was my unboxing. Obviously, this isn't like a real review, but I hope it like helped even a little bit. I don't know much, but this is a very light lens that I think is really great for beginners because it can do both. My portrait lens definitely can't do both, but it is amazing in portrait. So if you're just looking for a portrait lens, I recommend this lens. I'll put it right here. It's like amazing. It's an amazing hefty duty. Look how she gets even bigger. Like this portrait lens goes hard. Okay, thank you for watching and let me know if you have any questions. All right guys, thank you.